Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert bits number to a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is a PDF file and I will apply your bits number. Now select this page layout option of the menu bar and here you will find this bits number option. Click on this down arrow and you can select multiple files or the current open file, this current documents. Hence bits number dialog box. You can add prefix and starting number. You can change this digit and you can add suffix. This font size, I'll make it 10 and even color same. I'll rotate this bits number 45 degrees and the space I'll make it top right corner, put and move this one and starting from page first page you can select a specific page range and increment of the number on every page. Now select apply and see this top right bits number now added and see this bits number applied. Yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.